So this lesson is all about solving quadratic equations by factoring. So let's look at an example. 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equals 0. So remember the way you factor these, you multiply the leading coefficient and the constant term together. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then you need to find the factors of negative 8 that add to make negative 7. So let's look at 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. Those are the possible factors. Since we're dealing with a negative, one of these numbers will have to be negative. Positive 1, negative 8, that adds to make negative 7. So that's our factoring. So now we're going to split the middle term up. 2x squared plus 1x minus 8x minus 4 equals 0. Now we're going to do the grouping part. The common factor of the first two terms is x, so we take that out and that leaves 2x plus 1 because x times 2x makes 2x squared and x times 1 makes x. Second two terms, the common factor is negative 4. So that leaves positive 2x and then plus 1 equals 0. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times plus 1 is negative 4. You always want to check those and make sure you're doing this correctly. Now the grouping part, because 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 are the same, we can write this as x minus 4 times 2x plus 1 equals 0. Now we can apply the zero product property. The zero product property says if you have two things multiplied together, x times y equals 0, then either x equals 0 or y equals 0 to make that true. There's no way you can multiply two numbers and get 0 if one of them is not 0. So what we do is we set each factor equal to 0. X minus 4 equals 0, and then 2x plus 1 equals 0. To solve the first one, add 4 to both sides, and you get x equals 4. 2x plus 1 equals 0, subtract 1 from both sides. 2x equals negative 1, divide by 2. X equals negative 1/2. So x equals negative 1/2 and positive 4 are the solutions for this equation. So that's solving by factoring, and that's the big picture.